Hello, today we move on to the specific features of the ArtRocket platform, the tools that make working in SketchUp significantly faster and more structured. On the left side of the screen, you can see the vertical panel of the ArtRocket platform. The first icon opens the module library. When clicking this icon, a list of ready-made cabinets and solutions appears. Base modules, wall cabinets, columns, wardrobes. Instead of designing each cabinet from scratch, you simply select a ready module, enter the width, height, and depth, and it is placed into the scene already fully configured, with shelves, doors, correct material thicknesses, and fixings designed for production. This way, the design process does not start from a blank page, but from a library of intelligent elements. Next to it is the redraw function. This function rebuilds modules based on any changes made, dimensions, opening type, materials, or accessories. For example, if you change the height of a cabinet or the facade type, a single click on redraw fully updates the module. Shelf positions, hinges, cutting lines, and technical details are all recalculated. In practical examples, it will be clearly shown how modules respond to this command and how much time it saves compared to manual editing. R-Tag Scene Visibility Control. The next icon is R-Tags. It allows quick control over tag visibility. Using R-Tags, you can turn entire categories on or off from one place, for example, hide the cabinets and leave only accessories visible, or the opposite. This is a convenient way to visually clean up the scene when working on a specific detail without manually hiding or deleting each object. Startup Settings is a basic platform configuration. Next to R-Tags is the Startup Settings icon. Here, the main settings of the ArtRocket platform are defined. Interface language, so all names are easy to understand in daily work. Currency, so all cost calculations and specifications are displayed in the real working currency. Coefficient, which can represent a markup or a company-specific multiplier. These settings are extremely important. Once configured correctly, all lists, calculations, and data generated by the platform match the real workflow. The difference between software price and real price disappears. Everything is aligned from the very beginning. Lower icons direct interaction with the scene. After reviewing the top icons, attention moves to the lower part of the platform panel. Here you can see the icon with a dynamic hand. It controls the interaction mode with objects in the scene. Depending on the selected mode, the same geometry can be moved, be edited, behave as an intelligent object, for example, doors open, elements adjust. This function allows you to quickly switch between working modes without searching for separate commands. Below is the icon for selecting embedded panels. With this tool, you can quickly select individual elements of a module, such as a shelf, a door, or a side panel, without entering deep into groups or dismantling the cabinet. Only the required panel is selected, a material or modification is applied, and the module remains organized and intact. Attributes menu, the heart of the components. Now the Attributes menu of the ArtRocket platform is opened. In the upper left part, you can see the Components menu, a structured list organized by categories. Below are the main sections. In this section, you will find wall mounting systems for hanging cabinets, hinges with multiple options, lift mechanisms for flap and folding doors, drawers with different types of runners, and internal systems. Modules are created with default hardware, but if needed, it can be replaced by simply selecting another option from the menu. Once applied, the hardware updates instantly inside the cabinet. Additional specialized kitchen solutions. At the top of the menu, the additional section is selected. Here you will find kitchen cargo systems, tall cabinets and columns, drawer organizers, systems for plates, glasses and drying, corner mechanisms, wardrobes with hanging rails. In the top menu, you'll also find the Handles section. Here, different handle types are grouped together. When a handle option is selected, all handles in the project update instantly. Next to it is the Frontal section dedicated to facades. Here you control the facade type: flat, milled, framed, glass inserted, and other variations. Appliances as correctly integrated appliances. In the Appliances menu, the most common built-in appliances are available: refrigerators, cooktops, ovens, microwave ovens, hoods, dishwashers, and washing machines. Sanitary elements from real manufacturers. In the sanitary section, you will find sinks and faucets with realistic dimensions and shapes. Everything found in the Attributes menu is based on real manufacturers. Materials, ready for rendering. Materials in the ArtRocket platform are already calibrated for visualization and do not require additional setup. Lists and specifications real-time cost calculation. The list section allows you to see project costs in real time, while specification generates accurate specifications for production. We now close the Attributes menu. On the left side, we can also notice the specification icon. If you're wondering why the ArtRocket platform is useful for designers, here is the answer. The ArtRocket platform saves designers time, reduces production errors, unites design, technical data, and cost calculation into a single workflow. The platform essentially becomes an invisible technical assistant. It ensures that dimensions, hinges, accessories, and specifications are consistent, allowing the designer to focus on solutions and presentation. Why this is convenient for furniture makers and manufacturers? The answer is just as simple. For furniture makers and manufacturers, the benefits are equally clear. Components and accessories are linked to real suppliers, reducing the risk of unpleasant surprises during production. Modules respect material thicknesses, technical clearances, and construction details specific to furniture, making the 3D model almost a production plan. Parts lists and cost calculations are generated directly from the project with correct coefficients and currency, simplifying pricing and margin calculations. Errors, rework, and last-minute adjustments are reduced, and the workflow from design to workshop becomes more predictable. In the end, the ArtRocket platform is not just a set of icons, but a complete system that connects design, technical execution, and cost calculation into a single workflow. In the next scenes, all these menus and functions will be tested directly on modules to clearly demonstrate how the platform simplifies work for both designers and manufacturers. See you in the next video where we'll start building your first space together in ArtRocket. Until next time.